It is the Kingsmen going again, and they are going to field first. A touch of width, and that is elegantly played. Really nice start from Conway.
Well, I've seen this once and I've seen it 1,000 times from Devon Conway. Muhammad Ali wasn't too far off the mark. The first delivery just shaped back into Conway. This one didn't move an inch. And Conway just took advantage of that smidgen of width.
Lovely. Touch, class, all of it with Conway. Back-to-back boundaries to start.
Just take a look at the hands of Devon Conway. Doesn't try to overhit it. Just opens up the blade nicely, hits it under his eyes, knows exactly where the field is. Back-to-back boundaries. So all of a sudden, Islamabad United have gone, right,
needed to pick that up cleanly to have any chance. I'll sneak in another single. So a great start here from Islamabad. 11 for none. Hunain Shah. A gentle loosener to begin. And it once again finds its way to the fence. Or gets through. Gets through. They need to be sharper. And to make matters worse, yeah, not impressed the captain, and rightly so.
Yeah, a bit of a sloppy start this all round, both with the ball and now in the field. Devon Conway has 3 boundaries between point and a square third man, which tells you there's been a little bit too much width on a pitch which is slow and low. We'll be bringing the stumps into play a bit more often and hitting back of a length. That is in the slot.
And again, this time it goes straight to the sweeper fielder. Too full and a hint of width. Not good, this. Edged. Would you believe it? Has gone through the 2 men behind.
that's literally hedging your bets, isn't it? Where shall I put Mendes? Where shall I put the fielder? Well, sorry, Michelle Pereira. And it's really nowhere. I guess it's short third, not there for the edge, not there for really much, unfortunately, but well bowled in the end. And
that's better. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness again. I think that's going to be another boundary. The sweepers not clean this up. There will be a boundary check. Irfan Khan Niazi.
Well, there's no justice. Bowler finally finds the right sort of length. Finds the edge again.
Saim Ayub. Yeah, oh no, not there, says Mark Butcher next to me. This is not a good start.
Square of the wicket again. Devon Conway must be thinking it's his birthday today.
He needed a clean pick-up, that Irfan Khan Niazi already has had one effort on the boundary yield, on the boundary lines, which went through. Yeah, touch slow. Good way to end the over. 33 for none. High octane energy. A bit of high octane energy from Conway. Not quite out of the middle, but very straight and very good again.
yeah, it's important for Islamabad United that they put some pressure on the spinners straight away. Yes, it wasn't out of the middle, but the fact that mid-on is up, there's an opportunity to go as straight as you possibly can or over Marnus Labuschagne.
Oh, very good.
Nicely bowled from Glenn Maxwell. Just the 7 runs from the 4th over, but Islamabad United flying 40 without loss.
They have to rely on those cutters. Swept in the air, into the gap. First boundary for Samir.
We have seen Devon Conway picking up the half a dozen boundaries, but also the right-hander, who's been very good so far in the tournament. Just displays the kind of batter he is. He's not going to miss out.
Beautiful shot, beautifully timed. That is a high-class shot. Good use of the feet. A good player, very good player, and that is 50 up in no time.
Excellent usage of the feed on that occasion from Samir Manhas. Realized that Saim Ayub is looking to flight the ball. Came out of the crease a bit early, but still managed. Every time you hit a six, KFC offers scholarship.
Pace on this surface is a batsman's friend, no question about that. You know that, guys. I mean, you're looking for pace on the ball. You can use whatever's there. There you go, just one. That happens every time. It's good, that's pretty good. That, and then mix up the pace a little bit, that's the length. So good square of the wicket, either on the offside, picks up length pretty well.
That's not bad. That's another way for the bowler to avoid getting hit for boundaries.
Better than that, they pick up a wicket, and boy did they need that. It's via the inside edge, but it was a slower ball. Well bowled, sir.
And somebody's been advocate of these slow deliveries and finally working for the fast bowler. And they have gotten rid of danger man Samir Manhas, who's been scoring runs consistently. Slow delivery played away from his body. A bit of grip for the bowler did the job. Isn't he happy? 22 was the contribution from Samir Manhas, 56 for 1.
Ahmed Faik then, good platform to build on here. Through the power play. That is an excellent power play on a slow pitch. They will take that every day of the week. 57 for 1.